Hi all, let's do an angel reading for 22nd of July and let's see what messages your angel have for you. Faithfulness, healing in the now. Yeah, it's time to be faithful uh, to your dreams, to your wishes, to your desires. Yeah, it's time for you to think about you, think about the things that would make you happy, and it's time to share that magic, to share that healing, to share that light with the world and people who need it. Don't hoard uh, anything really, because what you get, you will eventually have to give it to someone else. Maybe it will, maybe not the very next day, maybe not the very next month or the very next year, but everything we have on this planet is borrowed wealth. We borrowed it from earth and someone else may need to borrow it from you tomorrow, and be open to that. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing to have things to give. It's not a bad thing to want to hold on to wealth either, but make sure that your obsession is not getting to the level of you not even taking risks that would make you happy. In order for you to attract what you want now, you'll have to release attachment to what you wanted earlier. The energy that brought you to this point, you'll have to release attachment to that. That's the main message there is for today. Yeah, you need to take a break, and I've been getting this message from the last quite a few days, and you need to catch a break, you need to take a break. But in order for there to be a break, you need to let go of attachment to what was. Yeah, 9-9. It's okay for things to not have gone a certain way, the way you would rather have them gone. But now that you are at a point in your life where you are being forced to process certain things so you can finally move on in your life, release attachment to things that you no longer want. And it's okay that you wanted them in the first place. It's not a bad thing to change your mind. We are allowed to change our mind. We are allowed to go on new journeys. We are allowed to want new things. But in order for us to attract the new things, we first need to release what we had to someone else, someone who needs it. We're all really living on borrowed wealth here. Yesterday we wanted to attract some things and we let go of the life that we knew prior to that. And now you're not happy with where things are, and that is okay. And you can be happy. You just need to make the choice to release that wealth that the universe manifested in your life to someone else who wants it. So you can have the new wealth that will make you happy. And it's okay if you don't want to, if you're feeling attached, if you're whatever it is that you're feeling, it's okay. We are here to navigate very, very complex emotions. It's not a bad thing to get stuck in them, but it is a bad thing to choose to get stuck and stay stuck in situations that you know are not making you happy. Because better opportunities are available. You can attract what you want, you can have a new life, a makeover, whatever the fuck that you want. Even if it's not going to be easy, you can have it. But in order for you to attract that new wealth, you need to release the old wealth to someone else who wants it. And this may not need to happen on a giant physical 3D level wherein you have to give up your house to someone or do some massive destruction in your very own life. It can be an energetic giveaway, but you need to give something to get something new. Release the wealth that you have now to get the wealth that you want now. That's the main message for the day. I hope this helps.